Hey y'all, welcome to the Nail Sanctuary. I'm Shawnee, and in today's video I'm doing a freestyle set. As you can see, I'm showing you all the products here. I use some knot polish, I use the Young Nails Mission Control paints, and pretty much this idea came from my mom. I was going back and forth in my head on what type of nail video I wanted to do next, and she told me to do animal nails, and I told her, I don't know how to draw. So this look was inspired by her, but I decided to go with the route of trying to do an animal print inspired freestyle set. So that's what I'm doing in this video, and I'll be sure to pop in when I need to because there are some things that I have to explain on certain parts of the video. I hope you all enjoy this, and if you do, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, how often do you get your nails done? So I'm gonna stop talking now and just let y'all watch me work. Is where I realized I did not like that color that I put on the pinky nail, so I went in with the Mia Secret Cover Rose powder, and that's what I'm using. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on the middle finger, and then later on you'll see me going and shaving off that pinky finger and putting it on that one too.
I want my cake and eat it too, but a little grace would be enough for me to prove that, baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I can finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not arches, can't let go of any mistakes. Distant, sometimes I get distant. Stay away as long as it takes. Forgive my attitude. I need my cake and eat it too. But a little time will be enough for me to prove that, baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I can finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you. My highs and my lows, it's part of being human. Can you weather the storm? I'm starting to believe you can, 'cause baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want these problems, I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost.
So I told you all previously in my huge nail supply haul video that product that I just showed was a transfer foil glue, but it's not, I don't think, because as you all will be able to see, it did not work for me. I had to use my other glue, which is fine, but because this was a free gift, but I have no clue what that is, because it does, I don't think it's a top coat, but it does not work as a glue, or at least not for the foil that I used. So I wiped that off, and I'm going in with the Model 1's nail foil gel that I showed in my first haul ever on this channel, my first video.
You lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. And I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. might like a ride, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you, you, baby, it's you, if I control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine you can't chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day, so I never saw your face. What do I have to do to make you go? Oh, baby, it's you.
I use a glossy top coat to go over the rhinestones and the transfer foil, but I use a matte top coat for the rest.
Walk out that door, no, yeah.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow